Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Telegram is not sending code. If you are using Telegram and you're facing the issue that whenever you try to log in or sign up with your account, you see an error that your Telegram app is not sending you verification code. So let's see how can you do that. You just have to very first make sure that you have a stable and the strongest network connection, and you have to also make sure that your airplane mode is not enabled or your do not disturb mode is not enabled. If you find it enabled, just try to disable that. After disabling, simply go back from here and you just have to go to settings app here. I recommend you have to go to general, go to software update, try to update your software. After updating software, go back and go to VPN device management, and you just have to make sure that your VPN is not connected. If you're connected to any kind of VPN, just try to disconnect with that. After disconnecting your VPN, you have to go back and you have to retry to check if your issue has been fixed or not. Or you can also try to update your Telegram apps. Open your app store here, go to search, and simply search for Telegram. And you just have to make sure that your Telegram app is up to date. There's no any pending update for your Telegram app. If you find, you just have to try to update your app. So after updating, your issue must have to be fixed. If it's still not fixed your issue, so very first you have to try to make a force restart with your iPhone. How to do that? You have to quickly press this volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button, and wait for your phone until its screen goes fully black. After black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo, and once you get the Apple logo, just release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. After restarting, you just have to unlock your phone, and here you have to retry to check if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed your issue, so open your settings app, go to general and go to transfer reset iPhone, select reset network settings, enter your iPhone passcode, and then select reset network settings and the confirmation message pop up. It will reset all of your network settings. If there will be any issue with your iPhone network setting, it will be fixed in the step and you will not get the issue again. Or you can also try to connect with a VPN if you're using Telegram from any region where Telegram is not supported. So you can try to use VPN, or you can also try to use proxies. Or if Telegram is available in your region but you're still facing the same issues, try to resetting your network settings. Then you have to go ahead to their iPhone storage section. Just look for your Telegram app here, and here just look for a Telegram app. If you can't find, you can directly search for Telegram. And here you just have to try to offload your app, or you can also try to delete apps. In case of offloading or deleting, you just have to try to reinstall the app. Once your app has been reinstalled, your issue will be fixed. If there will be any bug or any malware into your Telegram app, it will be fixed in this step and you'll not get the issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.